Well, 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 look who's back from Old Twisted Tales, episode 30, eh? I'm so happy I could burst with stuffing. Of course, welcome to GORY-OSITIES, where nightmares are cozy as a child's toy. Except this one bites back. So snuggle in tight, my little rotten friends, because tonight's horrors are extra cuddly.
And now a selection of bad jokes brought to you by Hellbilly Hollow. Don't forget, Friday's the last night of our season. Saturday's Rotn night, November 1st and 2nd. Come see us.
Why do zombies make terrible lovers? They're always getting ahead of themselves.
Why did the vampire break up with his girlfriend?
She wasn't bloodthirsty. Enough in bed.
What's a cannibal's least favorite part of the body?
The fingers. They're too pointless.
How do serial killers throw a party?
They go all out. It's always a killer's event.
Why did the ghost get kicked out the brothel?
Because he kept giving all the girls spirit fingers.
How did the skeleton know his date was a gold digger?
She kept trying to bone him for everything he had.
Action.
What's the demon's ideal foreplay?
Light choking for eternal damnation.
So what's a necrophiliac's dating advice?
Don't worry about rejection. The quiet ones never say no.
Why do serial killers love going to haunted houses? They always feel right at home.
What's a ghost's favorite position? Booty call.
What you selling?
What is this? What is this? Hey,
says
we didn't
fuck
give
rotten.
like, this is terrible. We do not stand for fuck rotten. How dare you people? Blasphemy.
Where's the fuck conjure?
They're new. They can't just immediately put that out. We've done it for at least a few years. We can start defamating ourselves now. Look at that, guys. If you want a fuck rotten patch, this is where you get them from. Right here in this beautiful building with this beautiful person.
Yes.
Somebody has been getting at our pumpkins, and I just want to know one thing. Which one of you dead motherfuckers is out here fucking my pumpkins?
Say what?
Which one of you dead bastards is out here fucking my pumpkins?
Some bitch. Pick your goddamn place. Can I pop that?
He's from the last podcast on that. I was like, inhale, like all these idiots that. You got it right, I do.
Wieners. She's right.
Fucking wieners.